My name is Tom. I am 11 years old. I live in Canada. I like animals. Last Sunday I went to the zoo with my uncle and my little sister. The weather was warm and sunny. We wore hats and sunglasses. We took snacks and water in a small bag. At 10 o'clock we arrived at the zoo. It was big and colorful. There were many animals, big and small, tall and short. Some animals were loud and some were quiet. First we saw the elephants. They were gray and huge. One elephant was eating grass. Another was playing with water. They had long trunks and big ears. Next, we walked to the lion area. The lions were sleeping under the trees. They had yellow and brown fur. One lion opened its mouth and roared. I felt a little scared, but also excited. Then we saw the monkeys. The monkeys were funny and fast. They jumped from tree to tree. They made loud sounds and waved at people. My sister laughed a lot. After that, we went to the bird garden. There were parrots, peacocks, and owls. The parrots were red, green, and blue. They could talk. One said, "Hello," and we all smiled. We also saw zebras with black and white stripes, tall giraffes eating leaves, and lazy pandas sleeping in the shade. At noon, we sat on a bench and ate sandwiches. We drank juice and shared cookies. We watched ducks swimming in a pond. Before we left, we bought some souvenirs. I got a tiger keychain. My sister bought a soft toy elephant. My uncle took many photos with his camera. At 3 o'clock, we went home. I was tired but happy. I learned many new things about animals. I want to visit the zoo again soon.